Last month, a 67-year-old patient told me his wife was amazed by his renewed stamina and performance. His secret? 3 specific fruits he started eating daily after discovering their powerful effects on male circulation and hormone production. What happened to his body in just 30 days will change everything you think you know about natural performance enhancement. Hello, my name is Dr. Julia Merrick. For more than 11 years, I've been helping men over 60 recover their confidence, their intimate health, and the pleasure of living fully. In this video, I'm going to share information that perhaps no one has told you before, but that can transform your intimate and emotional life starting today. Throughout history, certain fruits have been revered for their ability to enhance male vitality and performance. What our ancestors knew intuitively, modern science is now proving with remarkable precision. These 3 fruits contain specific compounds that work synergistically to restore the circulation, hormone balance, and energy levels that decline after age 60. The first breakthrough came when researchers discovered that men who consumed these fruits daily showed measurable improvements in nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is the key molecule that relaxes blood vessels and allows increased blood flow to your sexual organs. Without adequate nitric oxide, strong erections become nearly impossible. The second discovery was even more exciting. These fruits contain natural compounds that support healthy testosterone levels while reducing the enzymes that convert testosterone to estrogen. This dual action helps maintain masculine energy and sexual desire even as you age. But here's what makes these fruits especially powerful for men over 60. They work with your body's changing metabolism rather than against it. As your digestive system slows and your nutrient absorption decreases, these fruits provide easily absorbed nutrients that your body can use immediately. The third revelation involves timing and preparation. When you eat these fruits, how you prepare them, and what you combine them with can multiply their effects dramatically. Most men eat fruit randomly throughout the day, never realizing they're missing the opportunity to optimize their sexual health. Recent studies show that men who consume these 3 fruits in specific combinations and at optimal times experience improvements in erectile function, stamina, and overall sexual satisfaction within just 2 to 3 weeks. The key is understanding exactly which fruits to choose and how to use them strategically. The first fruit that can revolutionize your intimate performance is the watermelon. But not just any watermelon. I'm talking about red, ripe watermelon consumed with its white rind for maximum potency. Watermelon contains high levels of citrulline, an amino acid that your body converts directly into arginine, which then becomes nitric oxide. This natural process is like taking a performance enhancer that your body creates itself. The citrulline in watermelon is actually more bioavailable than arginine supplements because it bypasses certain digestive limitations. But here's what most men don't know. The white rind contains even higher concentrations of citrulline than the red flesh. When you eat watermelon, you should consume the white part near the rind, not just the sweet red center. This simple change can double the circulation benefits. The natural sugars in watermelon also play a crucial role. Unlike processed sugars that damage blood vessels, watermelon's natural fructose provides quick energy that supports the citrulline conversion process. This combination creates sustained improvements in blood flow that can last for hours. To maximize benefits, eat 2 cups of fresh watermelon, including the white rind, every morning on an empty stomach. The timing is crucial because morning consumption aligns with your body's natural hormone cycles and provides optimal absorption. Within 2 weeks of daily watermelon consumption, most men notice stronger morning erections and improved circulation throughout the day. The effects continue to build over time, with maximum benefits typically achieved after 30 days of consistent use. Choose watermelons that are deep red with black seeds when possible. The deeper the color, the higher the citrulline content. Store cut watermelon in the refrigerator and consume within 3 days for optimal nutrient retention. The second fruit that can transform your sexual vitality is the pomegranate, specifically the whole fruit including seeds, not just the juice. Pomegranates contain unique compounds called punicolagens that have powerful effects on hormone production and energy metabolism. These compounds work by reducing the activity of aromatase, an enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. After age 60, aromatase activity increases significantly, leading to declining testosterone and rising estrogen levels. Pomegranate consumption can help restore a more youthful hormone balance. Pomegranates also contain high levels of antioxidants that protect your cardiovascular system from damage. The anthocyanins that give pomegranates their deep red color specifically protect the delicate blood vessels in your penis from oxidative stress and inflammation. But here's the remarkable part. Pomegranates also support mitochondrial function, which is crucial for energy production. Many men over 60 experience fatigue and reduced stamina because their cellular energy production declines. Pomegranate consumption can help restore youthful energy levels. The seeds are particularly important because they contain healthy fats that support hormone production. When you eat pomegranate, don't just drink the juice. Eat the seeds along with the flesh for maximum benefits. Consume one whole pomegranate daily, preferably in the afternoon around 3 p.m. This timing helps stabilize blood sugar and provides sustained energy for the rest of the day. The natural sugars in pomegranate are balanced by fiber and antioxidants, preventing the blood sugar spikes that can damage circulation. Most men notice improved energy levels within 1 week of daily pomegranate consumption. Hormone balance improvements typically become apparent within 3 to 4 weeks, with enhanced libido and sexual performance following shortly after. The third fruit that completes this powerful trio is the papaya, specifically ripe papaya consumed with its black seeds for maximum effectiveness. Papaya contains unique enzymes and compounds that support sexual stamina and performance in ways that will surprise you. Papaya is rich in an enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and improve nutrient absorption. This enhanced digestion allows your body to better utilize the nutrients from the other foods you eat, creating a synergistic effect that amplifies overall health and vitality. The black seeds in papaya contain compounds that support healthy testosterone levels while also having natural antimicrobial properties. These seeds taste peppery and can be eaten whole or ground into a powder. They're particularly beneficial for prostate health and can help reduce inflammation throughout the reproductive system. Papaya also contains high levels of lycopene, the same compound found in tomatoes, but in a more bioavailable form. Lycopene specifically protects against prostate problems and supports healthy blood flow to the sexual organs. But here's what makes papaya especially valuable for stamina. It contains natural sugars that provide sustained energy without causing blood sugar spikes. The fiber in papaya helps regulate the absorption of these sugars, providing steady energy that can enhance sexual performance and endurance. The vitamin C content in papaya is also crucial for collagen production, which maintains the health of blood vessels and connective tissues. Strong, flexible blood vessels are essential for maintaining erections and sexual function as you age. Eat 1 cup of ripe papaya with approximately 10 black seeds every evening after dinner. The evening timing helps with digestion and provides nutrients that support overnight hormone production and cellular repair. Most men notice improved stamina and energy within 10 days of adding papaya to their daily routine. The prostate health benefits typically become apparent within 3 to 4 weeks of consistent consumption. Now let me give you the precise daily protocol that combines all 3 fruits for maximum synergistic effects and can transform your intimate performance within weeks. Morning protocol. Start your day with 2 cups of fresh watermelon, including the white rind, on an empty stomach. Wait 30 minutes before eating anything else. This allows maximum absorption of the citrulline and provides sustained circulation benefits throughout the day. Afternoon protocol. Consume 1 whole pomegranate around 3 p.m., eating both the flesh and seeds. If whole pomegranates aren't available, drink 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice with 1 tablespoon of pomegranate seeds. This timing helps stabilize afternoon energy levels and supports hormone production. Evening protocol. Eat 1 cup of ripe papaya with 10 black seeds after dinner, but at least 2 hours before bed. The enzymes in papaya aid digestion, while the seeds provide nutrients that support overnight hormone production and cellular repair. Hydration is crucial when following this protocol. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your body process these nutrients effectively. The natural sugars in these fruits require adequate hydration for optimal metabolism. Quality matters enormously. Choose organic fruits when possible, and always select ripe, fresh varieties. Watermelons should be deep red with black seeds, pomegranates should be heavy for their size with deep red arils, and papayas should be golden yellow with orange flesh. Preparation techniques can multiply the benefits. Blend watermelon with its rind for easier consumption. Freeze pomegranate arils for a refreshing snack, and always eat papaya seeds fresh rather than dried. Track your results by monitoring your energy levels, mood, and sexual function. Most men notice initial improvements within 1 week, with progressive benefits continuing for months of consistent use. The final key to maximizing these fruits' effects lies in understanding 3 critical timing secrets that can multiply their benefits and create peak sexual performance. Timing secret number 1: seasonal rotation. Your body's nutritional needs change with the seasons, and rotating these fruits accordingly can enhance their effects. Focus on watermelon during summer months when it's naturally in season and at peak nutrient density. Emphasize pomegranate during fall and winter when your body needs more antioxidant protection. Papaya can be consumed year-round, but is especially beneficial during spring for its cleansing and energizing properties. Timing secret number 2: exercise synchronization. Consuming these fruits around your exercise routine can amplify their circulation benefits. Eat watermelon 30 minutes before physical activity to enhance blood flow and performance. Consume pomegranate within 2 hours after exercise to support recovery and hormone production. Papaya is best consumed on rest days to support digestion and cellular repair. Timing secret number 3: intimate timing. For maximum performance benefits, adjust your fruit consumption based on your intimate schedule. If you're planning romantic time in the evening, emphasize watermelon and pomegranate earlier in the day. The circulation and energy benefits will peak just when you need them most. But here's the most important timing secret: consistency trumps perfection. It's better to eat these fruits daily at suboptimal times than to eat them perfectly but sporadically. Your body needs consistent nutrient supply to maintain optimal sexual function. Consider your individual schedule and preferences when implementing these timing strategies. Some men prefer all 3 fruits in the morning, while others spread them throughout the day. The key is finding a routine you can maintain consistently. Advanced practitioners can experiment with combining these fruits into smoothies or eating them in specific sequences for enhanced effects. However, start with the basic protocol and adjust based on your results and preferences. Remember that these fruits work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Combine them with regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management for optimal sexual health and performance. If this content was useful for you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comment with questions or experiences. And now, don't stop here. Click on the next video that's appearing on your screen and continue learning with me, Dr. Julia Merrick, how to live with more potency, security, and pleasure, even after 60. I'll be waiting for you there.